Hey guys, what's up? It's Pauline here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for this weekend because we are headed out to Vegas this weekend. So it is Thursday today and we'll be leaving tonight. I'll be working remote tomorrow on Friday, and then we'll have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday just to chill, hang out, and then leaving on Monday. And Monday I actually have the day off since my company is giving us a recharge day. But this trip will definitely be more focused on nature and food. So we are going to the Valley of Fire State Park, and of course there's going to be a lot of good food. And on top of that, I'm super excited because I'm actually trying out a new vlogging camera. This is going to be filmed with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera for most of this trip, and it's our first time using it, so really excited to see how it turns out. Let's get started.
Just 18, please. 3.
Yeah, we got light well fries. Oh, you got animal style fries? And then my burger. Okay, we got it. Get some of that spread.
But I saw a reel about it recently.
It is raining en route. Okay, we're checking in. We're actually at the Club Wyndham Desert Blue. Okay, so we have the restroom. Then this is a little bedroom. There's a TV in here, a little desk area, and a little kitchenette. Cute. I got the Pandan matcha. Okay, this is their black bean noodles that I got. It's from Doya Jjambbong.
No.
Oh, what is it?
Doya
Oh, Doya
Jjambbong.
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 Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try some of this. Look at this! This is their mango slushy sticky rice, and then I got their white peach oolong tea. Oh, this is lovely.
It was really good too.
Today we are going to the Valley of Fire State Park. It's about an hour away from where we're staying and just doing some short hikes and taking some photos. And then afterwards we are gonna get lunch at this fish and chips place that we've been looking at called the Codfather, which had like really good reviews on Yelp. And then later at night today we have a reservation at this restaurant called Partage. We actually went there several years back and it's a French restaurant and super tasty. Look, we're both matching. That's so cute.
Hello. Just visiting.
Favorite part when visiting is the gift shop. They have the coasters that Alex and I collect from Paper Lantern. So we finished the Fire Wave Trail, which was about a mile. It was nice because there was a lot of like clear markers on the trail. There was a lot of people on the trail, and I thought it was a really nice hike. I feel like it's really good for photographers. I definitely get there earlier though, if you're taking photos, just because the sun is like pretty harsh here. And then afterwards we did the White Dome Trail, and I thought it was so beautiful. It was a little bit sketchy though, just like going down. So first you go down and then you hit the slots, but coming out of it, it's a loop trail. It wasn't bad at all, but it was honestly a photographer's dream. Just really nice lighting in the slots. So definitely recommend that one, and it's pretty short. It's 1.25 miles for that one. Look, there's a whole pack of them, you guys. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's this photo spot that I really wanted. So we're just gonna make our way there. I forgot to vlog while I was at Codfather and all the food, but I think that was like one of my favorite fish and chips that I've had. Everything was so good. The tartar sauce was different than others that I've been to. The battering of the fish and chips were good, very crispy. The fries tasted super fresh, and the ladies are working. I think they were British. They had like these cute little British accents, and they were just like the sweetest people ever. But definitely recommend that spot. We also went back to Landmark Tea. We really liked it. Alex really liked their mango sticky rice slush. It was actually really good. And then I decided to get their Hong Kong milk tea, which is made with tea espresso. So I think they like press the tea, and it's actually really good.
You like my hairy leg in there?
Hong Kong milk tea. And this is their, we don't want to spill this, the mango sticky rice. This is their cocktail menu. We're gonna do their signature. Some smoked salmon, caviar, and a sorbet to start off with. Just dip it in the sauce.
In that. Let's get a big dollop. You like this? Like bam. Like that.
I ordered one of their drinks. This is the Madame Crystal.
I would suggest you eat the lollipop first, and then you take your spoon and have a nice...
Huh?
You need me to record anything?
No. Some foie gras and some butternut squash. I need a bite first.
You can just see like all the fats leaking out of it.
Okay, we have the swordfish with an almond crust, a morel, and a little fishy. This is goat cheese from 2 different farms and has 2 different flavor profiles. Right now for 888 Japanese barbecue. We heard that there are a lot of wait time. I've heard of people just waiting here from an hour to up to like 3 hours or 4 hours, and some people can't even get on the wait list, even if they arrive at like 7 o'clock. So they're like 30 minutes early. But they have a bunch of different locations. So this is their Japanese barbecue. They also have a Korean barbecue, and then they have a robata and wasa. So we are trying out their Japanese one today.
We get an order of the mushrooms, the sweet onion, and a white
I can put in your sweet onion the next one because
Okay, we have a lot of... Okay.
Well, I dropped it.
Oh, okay. We got some of their Kobe meat. This is their prime Kalbi rib. Some carpaccio. And then we have some beef belly Kobe. And so full. It was so much food. We ended up doing their Kobe menu C. It came with 4 different types of Kobe meats, like Kobe beef belly, Kobe marinated ribs. I honestly think the C is very, very, very worth it for $45. I think it's a good price. I wouldn't come back though just for A and B because it's mostly pork and I wanted more beef. And I feel like the meats were okay for A and B. Nothing like too crazy that stood out, but C definitely stood out to me. All the veggies were really good. I loved the king oyster. That one was so good. And the service was really, really good. I feel like they were just like really attentive and they just keep asking you if you want to order more, changing out your grills. And yeah, it was definitely a great experience. And then I got their beef nabe pot. This looks so insane, and this is for one person. Crazy. Alex got their sukiyaki. That looks so good. This comes with a fishbowl. I didn't realize how huge these are. Oh my gosh. Tastes like a fish ball.